The fate of the capitalistic system and exploitative mentality will ultimately be doom. The importunity of such a mentality is to take the full measure when receiving, but at the time of giving, to give less than their due. They like to exploit the capabilities of others to the fullest extent, but do not want to give them full recompense. They pay the minimum to workers and keep the maximum for themselves. Not only do they do so in terms of material things, but even when assessing the worth of other people, they try to restrict their growth. They try that people should never be allowed to grow to their full potential. They think that people should be groomed only to the extent that suits the investor and should not be given unnecessary freedom.